This video is talking about a function called match in Microsoft Excel. From the lookup references functions that we studied that are HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, and index function. Those functions have been used in different kind of data or different layout of data that we have got. HLOOKUP is used whenever you have the key values spanned in the same row, while VLOOKUP is a function that helps look up the data whenever you have the key function spanned in the same column. Then we can just like call for a value that is on the right hand side of the table. While index function is a function that helps us to locate the value according to the row number and column number of the reference table that you would like to search for. Now, let's talk about the match function. Have a look on the screen. This example is the shoes and sneaker size chart. There are three columns that consist of EU size, UK size, and US size, from size 39 EU to size 48 EU. So in this case, suppose we would like to find out the location, or we would like to find out the data. Let's say if your shoe size is 44 EU, you would like to find out the size in US, that is size 11, right? Whenever you would like to find out the size 11, okay, so if you identify the size in EU, so in this example, you say that the size in EU is 44. If you would like to find out the size in US, one thing that you may do is that, okay, if you use VLOOKUP, you can look up the size in EU, and then you can identify the size of US that is located in column 3 of this table. The range lookup is false because it is the exact match. You can see that the matching value is size 11 in US. Okay. So this is the thing that we learned from the VLOOKUP. By the way, sometimes we would like to use other functions to help instead. For example, if I would like to know that in this table, which row that the shoe size 44 is located. So I can use other values or other functions in order to find the size in UK and size in US. Okay. So in this case, you can see that if you know the row number, you can find the size 10 in UK or size 11 in US by using index function, because you know that it is located in row number 6 from this table. By the way, how can we know that in this table row size 44 EU is located in row number 6? So in this case, we may have to use the function that is called match function to find. Anyway, match function can also be found in the form of Microsoft Excel that we studied before. You can see that the value of the row number comes in terms of the link cell. In this one, okay. So if you would like to use the match function, how can we use it? And whenever I just like use the match function already, I will show you how do we gonna find out the equal size in UK and US by using index function according to the result in match function that we got. Okay, now let's learn about the syntax of the match function first. Match function is the function that is used to return the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. It looks up a value in an array and returns the position of that value in that array. For example, if we wish to match the value 5 in the range A1 to A4 that contains value 1, 5, 3, and 8, the function will return 2, as 5 is the second item in the range. In financial analysis, we can also use the match function along with other functions to look up and return the sum of values in a column. It is commonly used with index function. Okay. So when we have a look on the formula, the match function has a syntax like this. Match followed by 3 arguments. The first argument is lookup value. Second argument is lookup array. And the third argument is, if you remember, as I mentioned earlier, the square bracket means it can be optional or you may omit this value. Lookup value is a required argument. This value is the value that we want to look up. Lookup array. This is also a required argument. The lookup array is the data array or table that is to be searched. While match type, it is the optional argument. If you enter the value of match type, it can be set to 1, 0, or a -1 to return result as follow. If match type is 1 or omitted, when the function cannot find an exact match, it will return the position of the closest match below the lookup value. If this option is used, the lookup array must be sorted in ascending order. When the match type is 0, when the function cannot find an exact match, it will return an error. So if this option is used, the lookup array does not need to be ordered. I recommend you to use 0 as a match type because if the match function cannot find, it should show the error to us so that we know that there must be some values or there must not be any values that match with what we want to search. If the match type is -1, when the function cannot find an exact match, it will return the position of the closest match above the lookup value. So if this option is used, the lookup array must be in descending order. So let me talk about the example that we should know. In this example, I would like to find the location of row number that 44 is located when the table is here. Okay, so if we manually count it, you can see that the yellow row is row number 6. So that means I want to use the match function to find row number of this data too. So in this case, the thing that I use is that I'll go to match function. And then for the lookup value, I say that I want to find value 44. In this one, it is in my cell B17. Lookup array is this table. I want to know where value number 44 is located. So it's in cell A5, between cells A5 to cell A14. Match type in here, as I mentioned earlier, I prefer to use 0 in this match type. I put number 0. So you can see that the result is showing 6 for us. So when I click OK, you can see that it shows us that it's located in row number 6. So let's try if I use 48. it shows that it is in row 10 นะครับ in here so you can see that in this one นะครับ I just want to show that if we use function index that we studied before in order to find the equal size in UK and equal size in US instead of using VLOOKUP how can we gonna do that นะครับ okay so in order to find out the size in UK we know that we use index function right for index function there are two sets of the arguments that we may use the first set of arguments is used whenever we have just one table นะครับ in considering tables that we have got the second set of arguments will be used whenever you have many tables span in the same worksheet นะครับ you can see that the shoe size chart is in one table only then I'll use the first set of the argument so I begin the index with the array array is this table ครับ from A5 to C14 comma row number this row number we will get from the match function that we have got นะครับ in C18 comma column number for the size in UK it's in column number 2 นะครับ and then you close the parenthesis in this one you can see that the equal size to UK is size 10 if the size in EU is 44 นะครับ you can see that this one is size 10 it's correct now let's change if we have size in size 48 in EU let's see whether the size in UK will be 14 or not ครับ you can see that it's equal to 14 okay ครับ the next one try to do it by yourself นะครับ in this one when we have to find the size in US by using index function we do similar thing as we did with the size in UK นะครับ so we use index function followed by size in EU first นะครับ I'm sorry ครับ we use array ครับ index followed by array means a whole table นะครับ comma row number we use location in the row number from the match function that we have got นะครับ comma column number for the size in US is column number 3 ครับ and then we close the parenthesis so you can see that in here if you have a look when the size in EU is 48 size in UK is 14 size in US is 15 ครับ so this is what we have got so in this one somebody said that hey อาจารย์ I don't want to just like use match function separated from my index function can I use index and match function together the answer is yes นะครับ okay let me just like copy the match function for you as a formula so that you can see it okay. so when I would like to find out the size of the shoes in UK นะครับ by using index and match the way that we have to do is that นะครับ I just put index function array is the array that we have got from A5 to C14 นะครับ row number in here I will add the match function inside match นะครับ open parenthesis lookup value is size in EU that we have got ครับ comma lookup array นะครับ is the first column here A5 to A14 comma we use exact match ครับ 0 when you finish you close the outer parenthesis นะครับ you can see that when we do this oh I have something wrong นะครับ in this one I have to check first I forgot the column number ครับ column number I want size in UK it is column number 2 sorry นะครับ I forgot it so I get 40 นะครับ that is the size in UK Now, let me do it again by using index and match function. But right now, I want to find the size in US. So I just use index function first. Then now I use the function นะครับ insert function box to do it. I use index function นะครับ use the first set of arguments. Array is this whole table ครับ row number that I have got นะครับ I have to use match function to help match open parenthesis นะครับ the first argument for match is in size in EU here B17 นะครับ comma then I just find from this table นะครับ just for this column only A5 to A14 comma นะครับ the last argument I use exact match 0 okay and the last one column number that I want to use in the index function size in US is column 3 you can see that the intermediate result is showing number 15 นะครับ that is the size that I want to have you may see that when you have to use many functions together in the same cell the things that happen is that if you would like to use the fx button in order to create a function นะครับ it doesn't help you to show all the argument lists of the functions that you use inside that cell for example in this case we use match function it's different from when we type in the function by ourselves for example นะครับ if we begin with the index function first right and then we just like manually do everything comma and then row number we use function match you can see that when we type function match here it shows you immediately for the hints that okay for the syntax of the match function what are the arguments that you have to enter for example in here when I use lookup value is in cell B17 comma lookup array is in this column comma and then it also show possible values that you can enter for the match type as well in this case if we would like to use exact match นะครับ we can close once we close the parenthesis it just like bring back the hint for index function that what's the next thing that you have to enter in this one you finish row num already you enter comma then it asks you that what column you want the data from so for the size in UK you want column 2 then you can close the parenthesis นะครับ so it gives you the hint for every single function that you have to use in that cell until you finish นะครับ okay so this is just like the way that we use index and match function together นะครับ so I will save this file for you นะครับ and then I'll just like upload this file into e-learning so that you can use it นะครับ everyone